So hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the problem difference matrices. So it was in the last contest starter 82 in CodeChef. So let's discuss the problem. The problem states that you are given an integer n. You need to find n cross n matrix such that each element of the matrix is an integer from 1 to n square. All elements of the matrix are unique. The absolute difference between the elements in the neighboring cell is strictly greater than 1. So what you are given, you have to find a matrix. You will be given an integer n, and you have to find the matrix of n cross n, and such that the integers present in that matrix will be in the range of 1 to n square, and all the integers which are in your matrix should be unique, like no duplicate values should be allowed, and the absolute difference between the elements of the neighboring cell is strictly greater than 1. So the difference between two cells of the neighboring. So like for neighboring cell, let's come to the example. So suppose if we are seeing for 15, the neighboring cell of the 15 will be 8, 7, 5, 11. So difference, absolute difference should not be 2. So I can't put here 16. Sorry, the absolute difference should not be equal to 1 or 0. So I can't put here 16. So if I put 16, the absolute difference between 16 and 15 will be 1. So your difference should be always strictly greater than 1. So let's discuss the solution. So the most optimal way I think will be to just first print all the odd numbers and then print the even numbers. So here you can see that if I print all the odd numbers in similar way, like for 5. So like for 5, what's the range? For 5 it will be from 1 to 25. Okay. So I have a range of number from 1 to 25, and I have to make a matrix of 5 cross 5. So how I will make? I will just print all the odd numbers from 1 to 25, and then after I will printing all the even numbers from 1 to 25, and you just change the line after every n numbers. Like there is 5, so I have to print in the matrix way, so I will change the line after every 5 numbers. So in similar way you can print for 4. So for 4, we have the number from 1 to 16. So first I have printed all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Then after I have printed all the even numbers. Okay. So now let's discuss the code. You have seen the implementation of the solution. So let's see the code. I have took an integer t, that number of test cases. Then I took integer n. Then I have made a vector of odd numbers, and I have made a vector of even numbers. Then after I have made the answer vector, and I have then pushed all the odd numbers here. So I have took the consideration that if the size of the row equals to n, I am just pushing the into our main vector and clearing our temporary vector. In similar way, I am pushing all the even numbers, and at the last I am printing all the matrix in this way. Our answer was the resultant matrix, and this way we are printing. So like code is like simple part, but you have to understand the implementation, like how it's working. You also try some more examples, like you can do this question in one more fashion. You can try this, and if you feel any doubt, reach out in the comment section. Thank you. Happy coding.